Are you tired of seeing all those fake get-rich-quick schemes online? They promise you a fortune overnight but deliver absolutely nothing. Well, forget that noise. In 2025, real people are making real money online with proven, legitimate methods, not scams. And the best part, you can start today with little to no investment. Stick with me until the end, because I'm about to break down 7 real ways you can start earning online right now. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are absolutely buzzing with opportunity. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or even just organizing things, there are clients all over the world looking for someone just like you. The demand is huge, and you can start building a portfolio and earning money almost immediately. It's all about packaging your skills and finding the right clients. I've actually put together a ton of tips on how to get started on my blog. The link is down below for you. Next, let's talk about content creation. You're watching me on YouTube right now, so you know this is real. In 2025, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are still powerhouses. Short-form video is especially hot. You don't just earn from views anymore. The real money comes from brand deals, affiliate links, and creator funds that these platforms offer. Find a niche you're passionate about, start creating, and build a community. Consistency is key here. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income. You simply promote products or services that you genuinely love and use. When someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. There are tons of beginner-friendly platforms to get started with, and I've listed my favorites in that blog post I mentioned. Fourth on our list is print on demand and creating your own merchandise. Think about it. You create a cool design once, upload it to a site like Redbubble or Teespring, and they handle everything else: the printing, the shipping, the inventory. You earn a profit on every single sale. It's a creative and low-risk way to build a brand and an income stream that works for you even while you sleep. Number 5. Turn your knowledge into a digital product. You can create an online course or write an ebook about something you're an expert in. Are you great at gardening, coding, cooking, or playing an instrument? People will pay to learn from you and get results faster. You package your skill into a digital format, and you can sell it over and over again. Coming in at number 6, we have remote jobs and virtual assistant work. The world has changed, and more companies than ever are hiring remote talent from all over the globe. If you have skills in email management, social media scheduling, or data entry, you can work from the comfort of your home as a virtual assistant. Check the blog link for a full list of the best remote job sites. Finally, number 7, AI tools and automation services. This is the big one for 2025. AI-powered side hustles are exploding. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, or Notion AI to create content, design templates, or even build entire automation systems for clients. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for people who can leverage AI to save them time and money. So there you have it, 7 real, working methods to earn an income online this year. No fluff, just actionable strategies. If you want the detailed, step-by-step guide with all the links and resources I mentioned, I've put everything together for you in my blog post. Just click the link in the pinned comment and the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, share it with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more real tips on earning online. See you in the next one.